we are on the corner of the house, this front corner with a closed-in porch. Originally, that column laying in the yard was right here, and then I had a handrail going across here, a wooden handrail that I had built originally. And at some point, I wanted the additional space, so I closed it in, took the windows, the original windows from the house, and put those here. So these are the vinyl replacements, and these are the metal windows that were in the house. I used those here after redoing them. You can see that there's some issues where water had gotten in and caused some damage on the bottom. So the bottom plate of that wall is treated, but the studs are non-treated. So some water got in there and rotted just the edges. So not enough to replace them, but enough just to start causing a problem. So I've got it wide open now. It's been open for about 2 days drying out. I went ahead and popped in 2 studs right here to build out this corner. And I'm gonna start the process of getting this re-sheathed, trimmed, and painted. It is quite messy, so I do apologize for that. So use y'all's imagination, look past all that here. That helps. Can't see as much of it. But imagine this all done and beautiful. I'm really liking it. Wasn't what I was planning on doing. Of course, I was going to just go back to what it looked like before, but then this offers much more protection. It allowed me to flash it properly. That's just a much longer term solution. It's not going to be rotted out having to fix it again in 5 years. What I need from y'all is tell me what color to paint this. Do I just go back all this white, or do I paint this gray? I'm really not sure. I'm not just stalling to get milk more videos out of it. The other thing that I was going to do, I don't know where they're laying, but I had cut 2 1 3/4 inch boards that I was going to cap that edge with, but it made things look too bulky, so I just went with what it looks like now. The reason I added these was because the thickness of the siding boards needed to be trimmed out a little bit. While we're right here, I want to go ahead and touch on this. I cut 3/4 of an inch out of this board, so I just let the table saw plunge through this. I had a line, and I just ripped this off, and then afterwards cut that off. But this gives me a 3/4 inch gap right there, so any water that goes down the wall has room to go right between these boards, and that flashing goes up behind the siding and down past the decking board to drain the water. Now that is only water that comes and hits the siding and goes down, but that'll keep it from wanting to go under the wall. Little custom piece of flashing there that kind of where it terminates with that one and the piece that goes up behind here. And then all this had the black paper on as well. So if anything got behind it, that would go down and then get caught on that flashing and come out too. So let me give you a backed up view of everything. That'll help you with the color choices. It's pretty outside right now, being fall. So I'm really buffaloed. I think white is the answer, but don't be swayed by my opinion on it. I really want y'all to tell me what you think. Again, it's the siding boards that's throwing me off versus the paneled look. Cute little house. As it gets nicer and nicer fixing it up, it's getting more and more tempting to sell this thing, because I could sell this thing and be a tax-free sale because it was my primary residence, versus if I just start renting it. But I think I'm too sentimental to get rid of it. One of my children might want to live here one day. Be a great house for them. You can always sell it down the road, be worth even more. So I don't think it's hurting anything. That's the way I feel about real estate. If you can sort of afford to keep it, keep it. If you don't need the money, keep it. But sometimes you need the money to do the next thing within your real estate hopes and dreams. But I think that's it. Let me know what y'all think about these sort of shorter videos. I'm liking it. It makes it easier on me to kind of not have so much in one video. But yeah, less to keep up with, more frequent. I think that's it. Check out my Patreon page. Link will be in the description. Check out my book, Cheap Houses, How I Find and Buy Inexpensive Real Estate. Link in the description. I'll pin a comment as well. Been enjoying reading the comments. I don't respond to them as much as some would like probably, but I do get a chance to read them. But that's that. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.